As coronavirus cases spike again in the U.S., city and state lawmakers across the country are reimposing lockdowns and other COVID-19 countermeasures. NewsNation correspondent Tom Negevin joins us live from Union City, New Jersey now for a closer look at some of these new restrictions in place nationwide and how business owners are reacting. Tom?
Yeah, and some of the numbers as well, Joe. Here in the Garden State, the COVID infection rate currently is 3.7%. Across the Hudson River, New York State close behind at 3.5%, with New York City seeing recently an alarming spike in positive tests. New York City restaurants hoping to boost capacity to 50% may have just seen that hope dashed as COVID cases rise again.
2,089 positive cases of COVID in New Jersey today, 7 fatalities. Again, over 1,000 people in our hospitals.
It could mean the end for many of these spots and for thousands more across the country.
The police have been here two times, I think.
In Illinois, restaurants are rebelling.
Show us the stats that say that this is unsafe.
Defying the governor's order to close, even suing.
There are people who, across the state, who don't want to do what's right.
And first it was 10 people, then it was 50, and then it was back to 10, and nobody really knows what to do. And
they're far from the only signs of COVID rebellion.
On this hard drive.
In Salt Lake, people opposed to Utah's mask requirements have been showing up with flags and no masks at the home of the state epidemiologist.
It's scary and wrong that somebody would feel comfortable sharing my personal information. It's taken a really big toll on my family and myself.
47 states recorded rising COVID infection rates today. New York's case count is high enough to put it on its own travel advisory list. The state's governor calling Washington's vaccination plan deeply flawed.
The main distribution would be private pharmacies, CVS, Walgreens, etc. That is a very limited distribution mechanism.
Through it all, like the battle-tested COVID veterans they now are, New York City hospitals are mobilizing again, better equipped to fight the next battle.
Tremendously increased our capacity to isolate patients.
Frontline health workers have some things going for them now that they didn't have back in March.
We know that the virus is out there. People are taking precautions, especially New Yorkers. You look around, everyone's wearing masks, people are social distancing.
And we did reach out to the White House for their response to Governor Cuomo's criticism of the federal government's COVID response. A White House spokesman insisted in his reply that it's Governor Cuomo himself who is out of touch, leaving his state behind by skipping the last 17 governors-only COVID briefings that happened over the past 4.5 months. Live in Union City, New Jersey, Tom Negevin, News Nation.